What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another Makeup Artist Monday. It's artistry like bam. Alright guys, thanks so much for tuning back in this week. I had so much fun on my mini vacation. I'm super excited to be back and inspired and be doing makeup with you guys again. So this week we're going to be creating this signature eye look. It's really simple to do. It's got 4 eyeshadows, 1 eyeliner, and 2 brushes. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, let's hop right in. Today we're going to be creating one of my favorite eye looks. It's a signature look for me. It's got really beautiful neutrals. We're going to be using the Foreplay palette Nude number 3 from Makeup by Mario. It looks just like this. Really beautiful neutrals, a really beautiful shimmery gold. Absolutely obsessed with this palette. We're also going to need a black eyeliner and 2 brushes. So we're going to be using a smudger brush that looks just like this, and then a fluffy to flat lay down brush just like this. So let's hop right in and create this look. To start off this look, we're going to be using this really beautiful neutral brown right here, right in the crease to kind of create our dimension and depth. So I'm going to pick up just a small tiny amount on this flat shader brush. We're going to tap off the excess and go in and really start rocking this in your socket for a really nice placement. This is going to create a really beautiful depth and dimension in our crease as we're blending out the smoky eye. After I laid down that color, I went ahead and blended everything up right up until the brow bone, just so it gives me a really soft diffused crease. And next we're going to be going on to our eyeliner. I'm going to be using a really beautiful soft black kohl eyeliner. It looks just like this. This is really easy to work with. It's great for this look because you have a little bit of playtime, about 30 to 60 seconds of playtime with it. So after you apply it, it's really nice to smudge out and blend really easily. So I'm going to apply this right at my lash line. It doesn't have to be perfect because you're going to smudge it out. Just like that. Now I'm going to take that pencil brush that we were talking about earlier, and I'm going to go in and I'm going to softly smudge this black liner. This is going to create a really beautiful rich lash line, and it's really nice for a smoky look because it gives you that base to kind of work off. It also gives you really nice dimension right at the lashes, which looks really pretty for this type of look. Alright, as you can see, I went ahead and blended all of that in. I'm going to go in and do another round, add a little bit more, and smudge it out, and I'll be right back. Alright, I went ahead and added that second layer of black eyeliner. By diffusing it out with that pencil shader brush, you can really see that it creates a lot more richness right at the lash line, but it's really soft and diffuse. I absolutely love doing this before I put on my shimmers because it really gives you a nice base of smokiness to put that look on. So next we're going to go into this really beautiful shimmery gold color right here. This one I'm actually going to use wet with my finger. So I'm going to take my setting spray. This is just a regular setting spray, nothing special. Spray it directly into the eyeshadow, and then I'm going to take my ring finger and actually massage it into the product, and you can see how that picks it up right there. This is a really beautiful color, and I'm just going to actually press it right on my lid on top of that black liner to give me a really beautiful saturated gold shimmer. As you can see, check that out. I'm going to go in with a little bit more. This is such a beautiful color. These shimmers pick up really nicely. This camera does not do it justice. Beautiful. That gold coppery shimmery color. I'm going to go in with a little bit more right on the end. And then to give it a little bit more pizzazz, I'm going to go in with this lighter gold shimmery color right here as well. We're going to spray this with our setting spray, going with our middle finger. Take a little bit of that, and you want to layer this on top of the 2 shadows. So right in the center, we're going to start there. Just going to give it a little bit more brightness because that copper is really bronzy, and I want to brighten it up just a little. So beautiful. Gorgeous. So now that we have those colors on, I'm going to take this original shader brush, and I'm actually just going to diffuse right in the inner corner and blend this out and soften this edge just like that. Cool. Alright, so you can see now we have this really beautiful bronze coppery shimmery eye. I'm actually going to go in and add a little bit more black liner. smudge it out. And then to really make my eyes pop, I'm actually going to go in with that same black liner and put it on the inside of the eye. Just like that. And a little bit under. By applying the eyeliner under the eye, it actually pulls down on the eyelid and makes the eyes look a little bit bigger. Using that same shader smudge pencil brush that we're using, we're going to go in, smudge everything out, make it really cohesive, give you that really dark black grunge look. Just like that. All right, so now I'm going to take my original shader brush and we're going to actually diffuse this black liner just a little bit. I haven't done my concealer or anything, so that will be able to correct a little bit of fallout, but I don't actually think it needs it. It's really beautiful, very smoky, very gold, very bronzy. I'm gonna go ahead and pop on some mascara and I'll let you see the final look. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I really love this look. I think it's super easy to achieve just using one eyeshadow palette at home. This 4 quad is really great because you have the black. You can also set your eyeliner, create a little bit more intensity under the eye. You have your really 2 beautiful shimmers in that neutral brown, really beautiful. Then I went ahead and finished it off with my MAC Stack Lash Mascara. You guys know I love this for voluminous, long, lengthy, beautiful, bold lashes. And I just thought it would be beautiful with this look. So leave me a comment down below what you guys think of this look. If you like these kind of quick videos of these 4 quad eyeshadow palettes, so it's something simple and easy for you to achieve at home, or maybe with some colors that you have at home. I hope that you guys had a great week. I'm super excited to be back from my mini vacation, and I will talk to you all next Makeup Artist Monday, right? Bye.